Okay, so how are we doing, everyone? We're going to be going to dive deeper into the HLookup function. And as you can see here, I typed in the county for each student. So if you want to follow along, probably do that as well. If you have like a data table, probably want to copy everything that's here the same way and follow along, or you can just recreate it on your own. Um, so for the word, what the idea is that we look through this um, spreadsheet right here and match the counties to the amount for each county. So for the Bronx, for example, we're trying to get the award of 40,000, and then for Kings County, we're trying to get the award of 30,000, and so on. So this is what makes HLookup pretty powerful, actually, because you can look horizontally, row to row, to see where your data matches. So you're gonna, for example, look through this row to see what matches with Bronx, and then look through the second row to see what matches what attributes Bronx has. So let me actually show you how that works. We have the equal sign right here. We have our lookup function and enter. So the search key is what we're going to look for first. Search key would be the Bronx because that's what we're looking for in our sheet. The range, we're going to give it this right here, and then we're going to drag it down as well and include the amount we're looking for. So this first row, the first row has to be where the search key is located, so that it can use that as like a reference to then go to the amount, the search to the amount. So now that we have the Bronx, you're going to go to the amount, and it's going to say 40,000 right here. That's how it should work in practice, right? So we're going to put a comma there because we have the range. And then the index would be 2. Reason being is that the first row is already counted as 1, and then the second row will be counted as 2. That's just how it works. Let's have a 2 right there. And then it's asking us if it's sorted or not. So in this case, it's not sorted at all. You can see the D's right here, the K's right here, the B's right here. It's all over the place. So we do not have to say it's sorted. That is 0. It's a true or false statement. So it's asking if it's sorted or not. We're putting 0 for not sorted, and then we type enter. And it gave us 40,000. 40,000, as you can see, matches with the amount we have for the Bronx. So we're going to drag this down there, and now it's going to match with every other thing, right? So what it's doing is that, okay, it's saying, okay, what am I looking for? It's saying Kings. Okay, I'm looking for Kings. Where am I looking for it? In this range right here. And in what row is it in? This second row right here. That is this row. It's not looking through the first row because then it would just give off the same search key. It's looking through the second row to give off the amount. And if it had a third row, you could write a 3 right there, and then we'll look through the third row for that thing. And it's asking, is the data in alphabetical order or not? So it's not in alphabetical order. So it's giving us everything that is not in alphabetical order, right? If it were in alphabetical order, for example, the callable would have to be on this side, and then pretty much that. And then it would switch over the data, and it would give us the wrong information. For example, if we put it here, 1, saying that it is in alphabetical order, it would give us 50,000 because 50,000 is where D would go. And it's just essentially wrong. So we can't have that. So we want to make sure that we type in it's not in alphabetical order. So that gives us right there. That's it.